Hey, so it's Ms.Moni Hart and we're back. I'm out here on a nature walk. Yes, if you see someone with me, I have my bodyguard. Okay, so you know, famous, have to have somebody to protect me at all times. But we're out here on a nature walk. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at all the leaves and it's water right there and everything. We're on our way to this bridge. You can see, ooh, just leaves everywhere. I'm happy I don't have to rake them. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we're going across the bridge. Oh, wow, look at that. Now that is beautiful. Wow. Look at that. That is beautiful. I love it here. So, we're just out getting some air in our lungs, stretching our legs. Just a beautiful day. It's beautiful. As long as we don't see any animals, we're okay. Because I have my spray. I have my spray. I have my spray. Okay. And you see the hair? I took the cap off. Yes. That closed tea leave-in is doing a wonderful job. Wonderful. Wow, it's beautiful out here today. It's beautiful. Just imagine if you had to clean these leaves. If you had to rake all these leaves. Just imagine not having a blower and you had to rake all of this. I would be so angry. It would never get done. I would order a blower immediately. Okay, it's nature. And we have maybe some action. But it's a beautiful day. I'm happy to be out here. We have our bodyguard with us at all times, licensed to carry. He will not hesitate. But it's a beautiful day. It's really beautiful out. It's really beautiful. I love it. But as you can see, do you see any? It's looking really good. I wore a scarf last night and not a bonnet, so everything is flattened down. But I'm happy it's just not all over the place. And today makes the 8th day. We're not going to talk too much because we still have to do a video, but 8 days. Today is the 8th day. And it's early morning, so you can see it. It's the 8th day. Ooh, this is beautiful. Oh, it's water. It's a little mini waterfalls down there. Oh. Yeah, it's just beautiful. Well, this is Ms.Moni Hart's opinion. If you don't like it or if I hurt your feelings, I apologize. But like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a family member. Thanks for being here. I love you. Thanks for coming to see Ms.Moni Hart. It's a beautiful day. It's beautiful.